Hey, what's up guys, it's Amir from BSG Tech and today we're going to do a short review and unboxing about Samsung's Galaxy J8 2018. This phone was released in July 2018 with a price tag of £200 in United Kingdom, available in 4 colors. So let's start the review. So guys, let's do the unboxing and see what's inside the box. And Samsung J8 2018. Let's put the phone on the side and see the box content first. Standard books, warranty card and quick user guide, and SIM opener tool. As you can see, micro USB cable, no type C cable, no type C charging, no fast charging at all. Standard set of headphones, 1.5 ampere travel charger. So guys, talking about the design, Samsung Galaxy J8 is made of plastic body with a 6-inch Super AMOLED touchscreen with 75.8% screen to body ratio, which made this phone tall and slim at the same time. The display is not full HD, it's a 720 by 1480 pixels, which is 274 ppi. Let's turn on the phone and see what's inside. So guys, as you can see, Samsung J8 also comes with face unlock with the rear mounted fingerprint scanner at the back, which is located just underneath the main cameras. There are two main cameras. The front one on the top is 16 megapixel autofocus, and the second one is a 5 megapixel with wide depth, and LED flash is placed just next to them. And as long as the selfie camera is concerned, it's a 16 megapixel front facing camera with LED flash on the right side. So let's do the face recognition and see how this will perform. So guys, we are done with the fingerprint and face unlock registration. So let's see which one is faster. As you can see, face unlock works quite well, but there's a slight delay of almost half a second when unlocking with the face. Let's try the fingerprint sensor. That's quite responsive. So personally speaking, the fingerprint sensor is faster than the face unlock. If you place it like this for a second, it unlocks quickly. By holding this phone in your hand, you don't get the feel of a premium flagship phone. However, Samsung design team have followed the design of its other family members. J8 is slightly large, and if you have small hands, then this phone is definitely going to be a two-handed phone. However, if you have bigger hands like me, then you can easily manage with the one hand. So talking about the software, Samsung Galaxy J8 comes with Android Oreo 8.0 out of the box with the Samsung user interface 9.0. This believed to have a lot of unwanted animations, and this can slow down your phone and affect the performance of phone, but this can be sorted with the third-party launcher, which you can easily download from Play Store. Lack of auto brightness sensor is also present. As you can see, you have to manually adjust the brightness on this phone. However, a later patch will fix this issue as well. And talking about the physical design, the micro charging port is placed at the bottom, and the 3.5mm headset jack is placed next to it. Unfortunately, no stereo speaker again on this phone, and the only speaker is placed on top of the power button. Talking about the volume rockers, they are placed on the left side on the top, and the both SIM card slots and the memory card slots are also placed on top of each other on the left hand side of the phone. J8 is okay with most of the games. It performs well, although the 3GB and a 4GB onboard RAM is not sufficient for some of the high-end games. Like any other budget smartphone available in the market, J8 also comes with a few advantages and disadvantages. Lack of full HD screen and an underrated 450 Snapdragon processor is a big question mark. On top of this, there is no Type-C charging port, which means this phone will take almost 2.5 hours to charge from 0 to 100%. However, a 6-inch Super AMOLED Infinity display screen with dual main camera, face unlocking option, as well as rear-mounted Touch ID and USB on-the-go support is a plus point, and this will definitely justify the hefty price tag of £200. As an average user, this phone could be my daily driver, and this phone will perform well with future updates as promised by Samsung. I hope you liked the review, and if you have any questions, please leave your comments in the comment section below. And thanks for watching my video. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.